Guys, it's Keke and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I have a Dollar Tree and 5 and Below haul. It is a very small haul, so let's get started. And first I want to say I'm sorry because I have not uploaded any videos, so I apologize about that. I was from Dollar Tree. I picked up the Monette Original Entertainer crackers. They were in the original, so I just recently discovered these and I like these crackers. They are pretty good, so I purchased these here. I picked up the Assured Extra Thick Comfort Cushion Insoles, and it comes with one pair of cushion insoles. So from 5 and Below, I purchased this tablet clamp stand here, and it's by the Trax brand, and you can watch videos and movies hands free, adjustable, and it's flexible. And last but not least, from 5 and Below, I purchased this universal keyboard here, and it's just a jelly keyboard, and it comes wrapped like this. Now let's get back to the good finds that I found at Dollar Tree. So from the Sassy and Chic brand, I purchased the electronic nail kit, and it's for acrylic and natural nails. It's for manicures and pedicures. It's portable and travel size, and it's easy to use. I was so excited to find this. This set includes electric base holder, shaping tool, a cuticle pusher, and a buffing tool. So I was very excited and happy to find this find. This canvas here, it is so pretty. It comes with the gold foil lipstick. That one is so pretty. Comes with the Chanel purse, the makeup brushes, the lipsticks, and the perfume bottle, all in one. That completes my haul, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.